Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm BKD and today I'm doing another store walkthrough. So I'm actually at the mall and I've never actually been to the garage store venue, but we're just going to check it out and see what's there. So as I'm walking in, right on my left side, I can see that there's a lot of different pairs of jeans, jean shorts, and even some cute crop tops over here. So we'll look at this first crop top, and it's like a floral design, it has like yellow and blue in it, and the price is just $24.95. Over here is one of those trendy crop sweaters, and they have different colors. So they have the yellow, white, and a blue, and the price is just $34.95. If you're looking for some cute solid color summer dresses, they have one in black and in white. The price is $39.95. Moving on to the jean shorts, they have a couple of different pairs, but there's one over here that I think is super cute, so I'm just going to walk over to that one first. And the price of this one is actually just $42.95. So I don't know about you guys, but I actually love the outfits that have that fuzzy material. They're so cute and warm at the same time. So they have these crop tops you get in blue or white, and the price is just $24.95. So while I was here, the cash register lady actually told me that if you download the app, you can get a discount on whatever your order is for the day. So the app is called Garage Studio. And now let me go back to the outfit that I'm looking at right now. So the shirt that I'm looking at is just $19.95. So I think that this store is like perfect for shopping for like street style looks or like casual outfits. Like for example, the top I'm looking at now, this long sleeve crop top is just perfect with a pair of jeans, even like ripped dark colored jeans, and the price of this top is just $24.95. And isn't this graphic like so cute? Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this top, because I really like it. So now let's look at the crop top that's right next to the top I was just talking about. So this one's just a solid color. You can get away with jeans as well. The price is $29.95. And they have two more crop tops in this section, so I'm just going to go ahead and check them out to see if they're the same price or if they're higher or not. So here's another graphic crop top that's long sleeves, and the price of this one is actually $24.95, so it's a little bit cheaper than the one we were just looking at. And then this one's pretty similar to the one I was just looking at, but this one has like a higher neck and the material looks a little bit thicker, so it might be warmer to wear as well, but the price is $34.95. So I actually found a two-piece set in one of those fuzzy material outfits, which is just great. They have some cute colors over here because you can get it in green. The price is $19.95 just for the top, and then the shorts are actually just $24.95. And so they have different colors over here. You can get it in pink, you can get it in blue. They also have white and of course the green that I'm looking at right now. Heading back to the other side of the store, I spotted these cargo pants which I thought were super cute. So let's check out the beige ones first. This in the middle. And the price of these are $49.95. And let's see how much the black ones are, because that one has a bit more design to it. And I love wearing black because it goes with so many different things. And the price of this one is actually $54.95, so it's a bit more. And then this butterfly top is just so cute, so let's see how much that costs as well. And the price is $16.95. So this concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.